The first resin family is the General Purpose family, comprised of 6 of the most popular resins in the entire SLA material category. 4 of the materials are opaque grayscale colors. Color V5 resin comes in 16 selectable colors, or any custom color of your choosing that's made to order. And clear is, well, clear. The reason these resins are so popular can be explained by understanding 3D printing's most common application, rapid prototyping. General purpose resins capture fine details really well, resulting in a very smooth surface finish and high dimensional accuracy. So your printed prototype part will closely resemble the end product. Another reason for their popularity is that 3D printing optically clear parts is an ability possible only with SLA printers. Despite their mechanical properties being relatively unsuitable for resilient and rugged functional parts, Formlabs General Purpose resins perform better than resins offered by most competitors and have even proven themselves in some unique hardy scenarios. For instance, Gravity Industries, they used clear resin to print numerous vortex rocket engine igniters, each with different dimensions and geometries, for use in testing to determine which configuration achieves the best mock diamond pattern. Since clear resin doesn't melt like FDM or SLS printed parts would when superheated, it can be fired for the few seconds needed to determine successful vortex formation. Now, to print with the GP resins, you just need the basic setup that's included in a complete Form Series ecosystem. That'll also be the case for several of these other resin families unless I specify otherwise.